Freestyle Friday number 20, e-dubble.
My life's a board game, but I'm never bored, man. I lose my keys, then I just smash it through the door frame. I'm writing stories while I'm living life in real time. I'm fighting for the glory, even though it's undefined. Stop plagiarizing all my shit. I just made another lane and I done paved that shit. Put a hammer to the game, rearrange that. Need to feel a little pain so you can tame that.
When we fall for shit, we fall hard for it. Caution to the wind, then I'm off again. Log in, bin sale for the band-aids. Better buy bulk, cause I'll rip skin off again. No doubt, never stop with the scrapes and skids. Feels like I just been raking and shit. This ain't money and it sure ain't fun. And it feels like I've been bathing in piss. No golden shower, this the hour. We stand up tall like a fucking tower. Get so hard, these fuckers back down. None of us even had to pop Cialis. Take 2 sips from the pimpin' chalice. Wonderland sands that trip with Alice. Walking hard so my feet get callous. More pain than pleasure, but we find a balance. I tip my cap to those people that can put 25 different things on their back. Toe the line, keep on track. Discipline, passion, hate on that. No white towels, have to wait on that. Stronger than them, put some weight on that. I'll never get rusty, but if I do, I'll have pops. I'm gonna go and put some paint on there. Come on.
My life's a board game, but I'm never bored, man. I lose my keys, then I just smash it through the door frame. I'm writing stories while I'm living life in real time. I'm fighting for the glory, even though it's undefined. Stop plagiarizing all my shit. I just made another lane and I done paved that shit. Put a hammer to the game, rearrange that. Need to feel a little pain so you can tame that shit.
Board games and more to paste. My mind's more cluttered than a hoarder's basement. I'm about to clean house, figure out how to go about selling these mind erasers. Time is wasted when I am wasted, but I keep thinking about the time and place when I get to go grind and sit my ties all at the same time and avoid the shakes. Find the pace, shake the hate. I'm a dirty gorilla, no bathing ape. Keep your style, I'll abuse all the substance, bathing wine while you squash the grapes. I'm dripped up and dripped out. My verses get shit out. I write so fast that the ink can't dry. My keyboard's my friend now, and fuck yeah, I've been down, but now I'm gonna stand up. The Black Hawks may have one, but P-Town knows what's up. I'm in the B, I'm from the P, and I'm working on ripping that DMV. Don't bother looking for me on your TV. They want the free, but don't love the speech. Go.
My life's a board game, but I'm never bored, man. I lose my keys, then I just smash it through the door frame. I'm writing stories while I'm living life in real time. I'm fighting for the glory, even though it's undefined. Stop plagiarizing all my shit. I just made another lane and I done paved that shit. Put a hammer to the game, rearrange that. Need to feel a little pain so you can tame that shit.
Happy Freestyle Friday, everybody. It's June 11th. The weekend's here. We finally made it. We finally did it. Peter Muth on the hook, killing it. Awesome. Facebook.com/eDubHipHop. Twitter.com/eDubHipHop. Black Paisley in 2010. I guarantee that. Thanks, everybody. You're the best. Now some kind words from Mr. Peter Muth. Enjoy.
A couple new ideas just to share with you real quick. I think invisible computers and invisible pens. Taxes are too high. The oil spill. My name is Peter Muth. e-dubble. Nah, you can delete that.
like someone's cooking was bad. Is that a good skit idea?
Here's the thing though, is I'm taking a little bit of damage over time because of the explosions from the baby pigmen. Because
Yeah,
you know,
drink
each time they explode, they do half a heart attack. Yeah, I know. I only have 1 pot left though. Fuck.
Oh my god. I just hear pure chaos. No, my end. I'm running through the snow biome.
Did you hear that?
No, sorry.
How the fuck did you not hear that? That was loud as shit. Dude.
What?
I'm fucking dead. I'm dead.